Hello and welcome to another video from AI Border channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful AI image generators that you can use for free. I believe this tool is the top choice in its category, with unique features that set it apart from others. Watch this video to see if you agree with me. I'll show you how to use it, from creating an account to generating, expanding, and combining images. Yes, you heard right, expanding and combining are unique features of this tool. It is free and can be used from anywhere in the world. So give it a try after watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel before we begin the tutorial, so you can stay up to date with the newest AI tools. A very powerful and new AI image generator tool that I am going to teach you today is Leonardo AI. You can use the description link to access this platform. On this page, click on the Get Early Access button. Then write your email address here and click on the Count Me In. Then press the Join Discord and accept the invitation of the Leonardo AI group. If you are a student, you can write your email address here, otherwise, ignore it. Here you can choose your language or skip it, because English is the default language of this platform. On this page, you have to choose one of these three options. I choose Create Art. Also confirm these two and press the Finish button to pass this step. Okay, now click on the Priority Early Access tab from the left toolbar. Then find the form in this text and click on it. This form will ask you some simple questions. First select Yes and then you must write your Discord username, email address, and name. Submit the form, exit Discord, and return to the Leonardo AI website. You can use the description link to reach this page again. Now here you have to click on Launch App and then on Yes, I'm whitelisted. Log into the Leonardo AI. Here you will be given a password security warning. Click Continue. You can complete your registration by writing your email address, or simply click on the Continue with Google button. Write a username here and choose the art fields you are interested in. Let's start using Leonardo AI. Well, congratulations, you have successfully created your account in this amazing AI image generator. You can see the latest images created with this AI tool here. By clicking on any of the images, you can have the exact details of that image. Includes the positive prompt and negative prompt. Negative prompt is a feature that is rarely found in other AI image generators. By that you can ask this AI tool not to include a series of things in your image. For example, in this case, bad anatomy or bad eyes written in negative prompt. Also, here you can see the resolution, the exact date of creation and the model of the image, which is the most important. Then you can find other images made with the same model, along with their exact details. You can download any one you want or share it with others. Honestly, I am very excited because I have many surprises for you. By the end of this video, you will definitely love this tool. Okay, let's go. I click on the Fine-Tune Models tab from the left toolbar. Here you can see the models that this platform can create image for you. For example, character portraits or cute animal characters or other models, you can choose any one you want. Here I chose the first option, Leonardo Diffusion. Okay, in the search bar we have to type the prompt. Let's try this one. White rabbit wearing a blue overcoat with white embroidered details and steampunk-style glasses. Holding a gold antique clock and walking in a garden. I choose Leonardo style and write human or human body for the negative prompt, so that no human will present in my image. If you activate the prompt magic option, it will give you a picture with much higher quality and details than normal, but it will deduct twice the token from you. Now maybe you ask, what is token? As I said before, this tool is free. You have 250 free tokens after registration. And then 150 free tokens every day. With this amount you can create up to 83 images daily. In the left toolbar, you can choose how many alternative images you need for this prompt. Here you can choose the dimensions of your image from among the options, or change it manually. Guidance scale determines how much your prompt supports image detail. And tiling is suitable for repetitive backgrounds. You can activate it if you need a repetitive background. And finally, image to image, which is an option that is less available in other AI image generators, like Blue Willow or Bing AI tools. By the help of this, you can use an image as a prompt. Let's generate our images. As written here, 7 tokens will be deducted from me for these 4 images. Well, the results are fantastic. This rabbit is really handsome. It is exactly what I imagined in my mind. Even better than that. Here you can see a series of things at the bottom of each image. The first one is upscale. By spending 5 tokens, you can multiply the quality of your image. But there are several websites that easily do this for you for free. I will leave some links for you in the description. The second option is creative upscale, which, in addition to increasing the quality, will also fix the graphical problems of the image. The third option, which is very useful, will remove the background. The fourth one enlarges the image and the fifth downloads it. I want to remove the background. Hey! You can see that this was done very carefully and we can easily download the PNG file of our character. Let's see another example. This time I want to make an image to print on a t-shirt. In the negative prompt section, I write shirt. Well, the result looks interesting. The first 2 pictures have a problem that there are 2 suns. Don't worry, we can easily fix it. But the third and fourth are good. I choose the fourth one to print on my t-shirt, so I upscale it. As you can see, the quality is excellent and it will probably have an attractive result after printing. Now, we can fix the problem of the first 2 images very quickly. Just write 2 suns in the negative prompt bar. Okay, solved. The result is great. This time we see 4 perfect images. Let's activate the prompt magic option once to see what the result will be, if this AI image generator wants to work for us in a custom way. Okay, let's see the results. In my opinion these are very beautiful, but I prefer the images that we produced in normal mode. Another interesting feature of this AI image generator is remixing images. If you click on any of the images which previously created by this platform, you will be given 3 options. Remix, that allows you to create 4 new versions of this image. Copy prompt, that copies the positive and negative prompts. And image to image, which let you use this image as a prompt to edit it and create a new one. Let's remix this one and see the result. Well, we have reached the main part of the video. So far we have seen some normal things from this AI image generator. Now I want to show you something that will blow your mind. Go to AI Canvas from the left toolbar to see the magic of Leonardo together. Now in this section we have to upload an image. You can choose a photo from your device or use the images available on this platform. I choose an image from here. A landscape. I also copy its prompt. I want to expand this image. I just have to place this frame in the part which I want to expand it. Wow! It gave me 4 alternatives to expand this photo. I choose the one with a waterfall. Let's continue and complete the bottom section. I just move the frame and click the generate button again. Okay, I feel that this item is the best of all, but there is a problem. It seems that something is written at the bottom of the picture. I choose the brush tool and paint the part that has a problem. Then, I click on generate again. Oh yeah. See, this AI image generator edited the brushed part. I easily expanded the image. You can see its excellent quality. But now I want to show you one more thing to make sure that this tool is really powerful. Let's find another landscape picture and put it here. Okay, this one looks good. Now I want to join these two images together. Very simply, I place the images next to each other with a distance. And I adjust the frame so that it covers the empty space in the middle and a part of each image. Now I press the Generate button so that it creates 4 alternatives for us. It seems that this alternative is the best one. I move the frame and put it on the bottom section to complete this part as well. Now I correct the parts that have problems with the help of the brush tool. Well, we easily connected these images and the result is very good. Okay, let's take a look at the pricing section of this AI image generator. This platform gives you 150 tokens for free every day, with which you can create up to 83 images. You can get 8,500 tokens for $10 per month. 25,000 tokens for $24.60.